This is a 1080p dash camera. Unboxing. The 1080p dash camera has Starlight night vision, touchscreen, 4.5 IPS screen, LDWS system. Included in the package is a dash cam. There's a good size screen, 4.5, SD card, port for cable. There's the camera. An on-off switch or power on. So it includes a user manual, warranty card, a couple 3M tape. It also has a USB card reader, card charger, of course the mount. There's the USB cable. There's the cable clips. And the cigarette lighter connector, adapter. Here I'm going to quickly go through a lot of the settings. So I'm just going to connect the dash cam real quick. One thing I love about the dash cam is extremely responsive touchscreen. Another thing too is you could tell that the build quality is extremely well. And also the navigation menu looks good. Here you can see where you preview your files. Here we have the daytime footage, and you can see the license plate front extremely well, and the color looks phenomenal. Here we have the nighttime footage. One thing I like is it's not having this like white light from the lights in the road. A lot of dash cameras have issues with the lights reflecting at night, and this one does extremely well reducing that, and also showing the license plates at night extremely easy to see. So this camera does pretty much everything it says it does extremely well, especially compared to its competitor and its touchscreen, which this is the first touchscreen dash cam that I've used, and it's definitely a step up. Like I said before, the camera does a great job at night seeing the license plate and dealing with the issues of the reflection from lights. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.